Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Word. In this video, we will be covering 3 important tasks: creating a document from scratch or a template, opening a PDF file for editing, and inserting text from a file. Let's get started. The first task we will be covering is creating a document in Microsoft Word. To start, open the program and click on the File tab in the top left corner. From here, select New. You will be presented with 2 options, a blank document or a template. If you choose to create a blank document, simply click on the blank document option. This will create a new, blank document for you to work with. If you prefer to use a template, select the Templates option and browse through the available templates. You can choose from a wide range of templates, including resumes, cover letters, flyers, and more. Simply click on the template you like, and it will open as a new document for you to customize. The second task we will be covering is opening a PDF file for editing in Microsoft Word. This can be useful if you need to make changes to a PDF document but don't have access to the original file. To start, click on the File tab in the top left corner and select Open. Locate the PDF file you want to open and select it. You will then be prompted with a message asking if you want to convert the PDF to an editable Word document. Click on Yes to proceed. The PDF file will then be converted to a Word document, allowing you to make changes and edit the content. The third and final task we will be covering is inserting text from a file into a Microsoft Word document. To do this, first, open the document you want to insert text into. Next, click on the Insert tab in the top ribbon. From here, select Text and then File. Locate the file you want to insert text from and select it. The text from the file will then be inserted into your document. And that's it. These are the 3 simple steps to creating a document from scratch or a template, opening a PDF for editing, and inserting text from a file in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.